Welcome, my love. This short meditation is designed for beginners or for anyone who wants to come back to the basics of meditation. When people first begin meditating, one of the biggest misunderstandings is the idea that we need to stop our thoughts. But thoughts are a natural part of being human. Instead of trying to fight them, we can learn to observe them. I want you to imagine your thoughts like clouds drifting across the sky. You are the sky, vast and open, and the thoughts are just clouds moving through. Sometimes they're light and fluffy, but sometimes stormy and heavy. No matter what kind of clouds passes, the sky always remains. And this is what meditation teaches us, to notice our thoughts without chasing them or pushing them away, simply observing. Let's begin today's meditation. Find a comfortable seat. Sit tall but relax. And keep your eyes open for now, with a soft gaze, not focusing on anything in particular. And begin to taking slow, gentle breaths in through your nose and exhale slowly out through your mouth. Now with your next exhale, allow your eyes to close softly and bring your awareness to the space around you. Notice the sounds, near or far. Notice any smells in the air. And the feeling of temperature on your skin. And any sensations you might be feeling. The support beneath you, the ground, or the chair holding you up. Let yourself arrive fully here in this present moment. And now you bring your awareness into your body. And then start scanning your body from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. So starting at the top of your head, notice the crown, the forehead, your eyes, cheeks, the jaw. Allow it to soften. Just creating a mental picture of your body without trying to change anything. Then bring your awareness down to your neck, your shoulders. Just notice if you're holding any tension in any part of your body. Moving down your arms, all the way down to your fingertips. And notice any sensations, warm, tingling, heaviness, stillness. Now your chest, your heart space, the belly rising and falling naturally as you breathe. Then moving down all the way to your toes. And now also start noticing your breath ever so gently. Notice the natural rhythm, not changing it, just feeling the inhale and the exhale. And if thoughts come, that's okay. Remember, thoughts are just clouds passing through the sky. Notice them and then gently return your awareness back to your breath. And now, to help your mind stay present, you may begin counting your breath. As you inhale, count 1, and exhale, count 2. And continue counting up to 10 breaths. And if at any time you lose count or get distracted in your thoughts, which is completely natural, gently start again at 1. Remember, allowing your thoughts come and go. And the moment you realize that you've been lost in thought, just gently let it go and come back to your breath. And then just for a moment, letting go of that focus. Letting go of idea of have to do anything at all. And just for a few moments, allowing your mind to be free. If you'd been wanting to think, let it think. And now slowly begin to bring your attention back to your body. Notice the seat beneath you, the ground under your feet, any sounds around you, sensations in your body. And take one last deep breath in. And a long, gentle breath out. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And before you move on with your day, take a moment to pause and notice how you feel. And just remember that meditation is not about forcing the mind to be empty. It's about learning to observe your thoughts, to create space between them and yourself so you can feel calmer, clearer, and more present. Thank you so much for joining me today for this beautiful meditation, and I'll see you in the next video soon. And if you're ready to dive deeper now, then download my free 7-day mindset reset to reset your energy, create space, and create your dream life.